Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, March 13th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro dollar monthly, I still think there's a very good likelihood that this is going to continue to trend up. Obviously, it depends a lot on what the US dollar is doing, but for now, I am definitely sticking to this analysis. I still think it is very likely to eventually, on the monthly time frame, go all the way up, take out these previous highs, probably all the way up to one of these higher Fibonacci extension levels. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this first push up is a 1. I still think this is an expanding flat for the wave 2, higher high wave B, lower low wave C. Definitely fits the characteristics of an expanding flat. If that's true, that means that this is a 1 of 3, like a subdivision, 2 of 3, and that this is actually trending up for a big old wave 3 of wave 3. So let's take a look at it on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I will be the first to admit that this move down does look more like a trend than a correction. Does kind of make you wonder if it's an A and this is a B. Now, if this was a B and the way B was over, this thing would be very impulsive to the downside, which it is not, which is why I am definitely still bullish on this. I still think this is more likely going to continue to make those higher highs, higher lows, and I think it's more likely that this really is a wave 3, this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2, and over the coming weeks and potentially even months, it's going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows, and just keep on trending up. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive movement up. I am still looking at this move down as a correction. As of now, it does have 5 waves down. It could just actually end up being a wave A or possibly even a wave 1. This move up might just end up being a wave B. It might just end up going back down for a wave C. But like I always say, and like I always tell my members on Discord, sometimes what we think is a wave B just ends up continuing the uptrend. So sometimes it is worth getting long in a wave B, and then you can learn and earn at the same time whether it just keeps on trending up or whether it really is a wave B and it turns back down for a wave C. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, the dollar has been very, very quiet, very, very sideways for pretty much the whole week, as you can see. Now, we do have interest rate coming out next Wednesday, and I honestly wouldn't be surprised if the dollar was pretty rangy until that point. I mean, it looks like a 5-way pattern down. It could be an A, B, C, D, E, and this could just keep on trending up. Or the other option is that this is an A or possibly even a 1, that this is actually a B or possibly even a 2, and then it goes down for a C or a 3. Either way, I am definitely doing nothing except for looking for longs unless it goes down and breaks this 100% level. If it does go down and break that level, I would definitely start looking for shorts again. But for now, I am definitely looking for longs, and I do have the expectation that on the higher time frames, it will continue to make higher highs, higher lows, which means on this shorter time frames that will turn at one of these fib levels most likely and just keep on trending up. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.